Hey guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix product not showing over your Shopify, right? It can be error or it can be something else. It can be your mistake too. So let's find out. So basically to fix it, you have to just go into the product section you can see, which is on the left side. And here you can see there is a product, right? And here it could be a many reason. You have to first of all check it that whether in the right side you can see product status, whether it's active or not, right? Whether if it is in a draft, right, then nobody will able to see your product over your website. So you have to make sure that very first thing it should be in the active. Another thing, you have to check online store, right? It should be in green. And you have to check schedule availability, right? And you have to make sure that you have not made custom availability. For example, it could be available for this 2 or only for 2 days or 3 days. You have to make sure that you remove it, everything, right? In this way it could fix your problem. Another thing, sales channel and app, you have to just click on the manage, and here you have to select online store, right? You have to select online store and you have to done it. And only this three, you have to just check these 3 steps, and after that it will get fixed. So this is it guys, and if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.